Hey guys, it's mold week, and it's interesting. It's 2128, not 2122. Donovan wanted to see 12 wings, so we're going to see if we can get inside and just do a little tour of the common areas. Nothing that we wouldn't be supposed to be in.
Well, there's a couple unfinished rooms that are open.
Okay, well, we'll use discretion.
Obviously, putting in code.
Looks pretty similar on the outside. They did not end up gutting the building nearly as much as they intended. The lights outside are different though. So, okay, thank you, sir. So this is new here. This looks kind of the same.
Bathroom used to be here.
Oh yeah. You want to go which way first?
Start on the first floor.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Oh, this is different. It's like a circle. That's kind of the same.
Yeah, like the electrical box where the pendant light used to be is still there. There's a boob light there now.
That's
Right above it.
There was never a pendant light in this one. That was a recessed light.
Well, okay, then the one in the back.
Yeah, let's go see that.
This probably is where the old door used to be.
Yeah, that's probably the same. I mean, the fire doors are usually... Oh yeah, this is the same. I wanted to put a, what you call it, the Vanity Fair there. I never got around to it.
That would have been cool.
Yeah. Yep, that was a pendant light, and then there was a recessed light on that end.
And then the ceiling that you destroyed, they fixed.
Yeah, they would have had to. But again, they were supposed to be destroying the whole building, so. Definitely looks different. Trying to remember, was there yeah, there was a landing here because then there was a bathroom here.
And there was like a closet right here, right? Like a small, like, shelved closet.
I don't remember that. You're probably right. Yeah, that was a recessed can. And the fan would have been like right there. I didn't realize my flash was on. Oops. Which stairwell do you want to take down?
So this one's because we're right here.
Okay. I understand why everything is boob lights, but I do not like boob lights. Anything that way?
I think the electrical work is that way.
Okay.
This is, I think this is part of the old, just you can see the bathroom was right here. And this is, I guess, part of the old.
Yeah, this was the old banquet room down here. The little kitchenette would have been here.
And then, look, free fan.
Oh, yeah, nothing. It's a Menards turn of the century thing, or Westinghouse, or whoever made those. The same windows. The windows are the same there.
Good shape, though.
I wonder if this is going to be like a common room or something.
I don't know, maybe like a laundry room. It might have all laundry.
Anything in there?
Unfinished. Same on the other side.
Interesting, yeah. Wonder what they're planning to do.
So I think this is the electrical room door here. And I think it's in the same place as it originally was, but it's not open. Another small unfinished room. Looks like it was supposed to be like something with plumbing, maybe like a sink.
Yeah. I'm assuming you tried that to the best of your abilities.
No. I don't even. Yeah. I have no idea.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's
Which
basically it.
which is the back stairwell? Let's go see the back.
That looks like the front. So I think this is it.
I don't remember this wall light, so probably.
Oh yeah, because there's the lower level parking.
Oh yeah, and there's garages back there.
Yeah.
Hi, puppy. Hi. Yeah, other than the garages, it's pretty the same back here.
Different balconies.
Different AC units. I mean, technically, these are mini splits, right?
I guess so.
And then they added these outside lights. Okay, well, that's pretty cool.
The stairwells and this lobby here, I think, is the most intact. Like the design, probably the framing is still the same up here.
Probably. Yeah, well, as you said, if we ripped open the ceiling, we might see some black painted 2x4s.
Oh, for sure. I'm sure it's the same downstairs too.
Well, that was fun to see. Maybe we'll get a tour of one of the apartments one day.
This is, I mean, unless there's like a vacancy, this is probably the best you're gonna get for a while.
Yeah,
It's cool to see the common area.
absolutely. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that followed the 12 Wing saga. And of course, thanks for watching.